Hey everybody, Photoman here. Welcome back to, yep, you guessed it, another video. This one is about West Hope School. It's built in 1905. Another rural school that when it was built would have been on its own with no farms, houses around it. It was put up for sale in 2017 and was purchased by someone that had a trailer on the property at the front door, and only a couple years later, it's again currently up for sale. I recently heard the asking price was about $190,000 Canadian, and I wish I had the money to buy the land and fix up the building as required and just keep it around. I read that the purchase gets you 1.5 acres of land, the school, the sign, and the old outhouse in the woods. The monument you see in the video outlines the school's history and was placed outside of the building by the West Hope Historical Society in the late 1980s, who looked after the land and the school after a county meeting in 1972.